हाय गाइस, सो वी ऑल नो लॉकडाउन हैज़ बीन एक्सटेंडेड और हमें भी नहीं पता ये लॉकडाउन कब तक एक्सटेंडेड रहेगा। तो आई एम श्योर आप में से कई लोग होंगे जिनकी कुछ डेंटल क्वेरीज होंगी या डेंटल रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम होगी, दांतों से रिलेटेड। अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, स्नैपचैट एंड ट्विटर। मैंने सोचा कि इस लॉकडाउन में सबकी हेल्प की जाए, बिकॉज यू नो वी शुड ऑलवेज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू सोसाइटी इन जनरल। तो आई एम ऑन फेसबुक, स्नैपचैट, ट्विटर एंड इंस्टाग्राम बाय द सेम नेम माई डायरीज 28। और फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहती हूँ, तो यू कैन ask me anything you want to on Instagram or Facebook, or you just don't have to do anything. You can just contact me by the same name Myra is 28। और अगर आपकी कोई भी dental related problem है, I would love to solve that out. Obviously emergency procedures can't be done in conversations, but you know जहाँ तक मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं आपकी 80% dental problem solve करने की कोशिश करूँ, except the emergencies which can't be taken. So अगर आपकी कोई भी problem है, you can ask me out and just treat me like your friendly neighborhood dentist. Now let us start the video. Hi everyone, welcome to my Diaries 20. This is Dr. Nidhi. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today I'm back with another video, and this time we'll talk about how to maintain oral hygiene at home in lockdown, how to keep your teeth healthy and white in the lockdown since we cannot go outside. So we have to take care of ourselves. So if you are interested, then you have to keep on watching. So let us start with the introduction part first. So who am I? I am basically a dentist. I've done my graduation and post-graduation in orthodontics. So what is orthodontics? Orthodontics is all about aligning your teeth well. So if you have like malaligned teeth, अगर आपके दांत बहुत टेढ़े मेढ़े हैं, उनमें crowding है या spaces है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो it can be treated by orthodontics. बेसिकली आपने ब्रेसेस का नाम तो सुना होगा, तो आई एम अ स्पेशलिस्ट इन दैट। तो अगर आपकी कोई भी दांतों की अलाइनमेंट ख़राब है, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू एन ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट नियर बाय। तो so that is what my qualifications are. So I am a graduate as well as a postgraduate. So now moving on to my tips now. So by orthodontist, I do not mean that I do not do my other treatments. I do extractions, root canals, everything, because I am a dentist first and then an orthodontist. So you can ask me anything you want to. You can write it to me on my diaries 28. Now moving on to my top tips. So starting off with tip number 1, which is you have to brush twice daily, and I'm stressing on the fact twice because most of us never brush in the night. We think that you know it's okay and we eat late at night, which is like quite detrimental to your oral health. You have to brush at night because you know it helps in removing all the food particles collected all over the day, because in the morning just some people, due to their bad odor or bad oral hygiene, or because some people have dry mouth because of their medical conditions, they do brush in the morning but they forget about brushing in the night. They feel that there's no need to brush in the night, which is like quite wrong. So you have to brush your teeth twice daily. And so let us talk about what you need for brushing. आपको brushing के लिए चाहिए क्या क्या चाहिए. So let us talk about first and foremost, of course you need a toothbrush. It can be manual and electronic. So electronic is much better than manual one, but anyways manual one also does it work. So buy whatever suits your budget. So if you are using a manual brush, always buy a soft or an ultra soft brush. Do not buy a hard bristle brush, which can be like which is like contraindicated. Always buy soft and ultra soft brush. Now moving on to, along with brush, what else you need. So you need a floss as well. So this is like a simple thread. It helps in removing particles that is, you know, that's stuck between your teeth. So do not use your ghar ka normal thread. Always use that dental floss, and it is like very easy to use. You just have to take this thread and you know, it actually helps in removing all the food particles between your teeth. So one more thing is that if in some people, you know, there is like a lot of crowding present in between teeth. There's no space, so food particles tend to get attached to in between teeth, which can also lead to some you know, gum problems in future. So you have to use floss in those cases. So you know, use your floss. Along with that, you can also use the interdental brush. So this is like the brush that can be used. It can be straight or it can be angulated, so it is also easy to use. So this is like an example of an interdental brush, and what you have to do is like you have to, it does the purpose of a floss only. You just have to, you know, use it interdentally, that is in between your teeth, to remove all the food particles. So my second tip is that use the proper technique to brush your teeth. I'm sure majority of people, I'm sure 90% of people are brushing their teeth in a wrong way. Mostly people are brushing like this. in a horizontal way, which is like wrong. Imagine these are your teeth and people are brushing like this, which is completely wrong. So you have to brush in a correct manner. So the brushing in correct manner is, you have to like imagine these are your teeth and you have to brush it like at an angle, and you have to push the food particle away. For example, I am brushing, this is like my brush, and I have to brush like at an angle, and I have to like push the food particles away. So the angle should be like 45 degree to be precise, but nevertheless, if you can't imagine what 45-degree angle is, you can always keep it at an angle, and you have to brush the particles out. So that was for all the outer surfaces of your teeth. You have to brush it at an angle, and for the inner surfaces, you have to like, especially for the front teeth, you have to like brush it like that. And you do not forget to brush your tongue, because some people just do not clean their tongue, which can lead to like bad odor as well. And you also have to brush the upper surfaces of your teeth from where you bite. So these are like some important tips which you can keep it in handy while brushing your teeth. So my third tip would be that avoid eating sugary or sticky food. For example, some candies we know they stick to our teeth and still we eat them, because once they stick to your teeth, they keep on sitting there, and if you're not brushing at night, it can lead to multiple problems like caries and few other problems as well. So you have to avoid sugary stuff, the stuff that actually clings on to your teeth. So avoid all the sugary and sticky foods that can lead to problems in future. Number 4 tip is that every person asks dentist is to have more whiter teeth. So what is the secret behind having white teeth? So there are many home remedies on YouTube we should not pay attention to, because there are no basics behind those tips. So my first and foremost tip would be that avoid having food that can cause stains on your teeth. For example, avoid having tea, coffee or smoking, which is like the major cause of staining on your teeth. So avoid those things at all levels, and brush your teeth twice daily. Some people suggest that you should always use toothpaste which claims to give you more whiter teeth. Actually, you should not use those toothpaste, because they have much more abrasives. What are abrasives? Abrasives are like the grainy particles which actually erode the surfaces of your teeth. So you should avoid using the herbal toothpaste and the Manjans, and you should always stick to your basic toothpaste. That is what I will recommend. So talking about, number 5th tip would be about the toothpaste. So you should use a basic toothpaste unless you have some problems, like if you have a sensitivity problem. So you should always opt for toothpaste which have like desensitizing agent in them, which can actually helps in relieving the pain. Otherwise also you should always opt for like fluoride based toothpaste, because they are much better. And all in all, you should avoid having that powders or Manjan, which actually tends to erode the surfaces of your teeth. That is what I would suggest. If you still want more whiter teeth, you can get a procedure which is bleaching done, which is not recommended for everyone, since it is like an erosive procedure. So if you have some important function like wedding coming up, you can go and get your bleaching done, but it is not recommended in all the cases. And my last tip would be that visit your dentist every 6 months, that is twice in a year. And you can also get your cleaning done, get your teeth cleaned after every 6 months, which is like recommended, because many people, they are into smoking habits and bad habits, and which they can't quit, since smoking is not only bad for your teeth but for your overall health as well. So you should always like, don't do smoking, just quit smoking. It's a bad habit. So since some people are not able to quit this habit, they have some stains on their teeth. So for that, you have to visit your dentist like after every 6 months to get the cleaning done. Not only for those who have stains, but otherwise also for your overall health, you have to get your teeth cleaning done, which we also say, which is like scaling. You have to get your scaling done after every 6 months. And lastly, I would like to say that go to a specialized person for the specialized treatment. For example, I am an orthodontist, so if anybody has a problem with the alignment of their teeth and want to get the braces done, they can come to me or go to any nearby orthodontist. So you always have to go to a specialized person for the specialized treatment. I would like to say that dental pain is one of the most atrocious pain a person can tolerate. So if you have like acute dental pain, always visit your nearby dentist, or there are some clinics that are open. Otherwise you can go to any hospital and report an emergency and get your dental pain cured, because it is unbearable pain, and during this lockdown it is not many clinics are not open, so you can always go to a hospital and report to emergency if you have unbearable dental pain. So guys, those were my tips. I hope you like this video, and you can contact me anytime on MyDiaries28 on Instagram and Facebook. I'm highly active over there, so you can contact me with your questions and I would love to answer those. Until then, stay happy, keep smiling, keep having those pearly white teeth, and just enjoy life in the lockdown. And I will see you with another video next time. Bye bye.